A volatile stretch for cryptocurrencies. Coinbase has been profiting. The crypto exchange operator beating analyst estimates on the top and bottom lines. Revenue surging from last year's digital coin trading, becoming more and more mainstream. But big questions remain for the industry, including the threat of government regulation. Joining us right now to talk about all of it is Coinbase's CFO, Alisha Haas. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me this morning.
You had a pretty tremendous quarter, driven a bit by, I think, the volatility in trading. And I wanted to speak to you directly about what that means in the last quarter and how you're starting to think about the next quarter, given what it looks like is the importance of that volatility.
Absolutely. So we've shared with the world before that crypto is inherently unpredictable right now. We are in the early days of a new industry, a new economy, and we do see volatility. Volatility is underpinning a lot of our transaction fee revenue, as when prices go up, when prices go down, when moving around, we do have cohorts of investors who really enjoy trading through those windows. But what we're starting to see is utility in crypto. We're seeing people engage in staking, we're seeing people engage in earn and other transaction types. And this is also growing at a more rapid pace now than our transaction fee, although only 5% of our revenue. So yes, volatility helped deliver a very strong Q2, but our product roadmap, adding new assets, we believe is going to really help us diversify over the long time and tamp out some of that volatility on our platform.
You just mentioned the idea of tokens that have utility. One of those tokens is Ethereum, and maybe you can speak to the significance of the idea that Ethereum now, there is more Ethereum trading going on than Bitcoin trading.
Right. First quarter for us where Ethereum surpassed Bitcoin trading. And that was really grown this quarter by the growth of NFTs, which we've all talked about. Also, we saw ETH2 staking, and the network is transitioning now to a proof of stake from a proof of work network. And that grew a lot of investor interest and a lot of interest in opportunities to earn rewards on the ETH2 blockchain.
How do you think about your business relative to a Robinhood or relative to so many others? We were talking to Kevin O'Leary earlier, and we were talking about the idea that potentially in the future, this business could become commoditized. What do you say to that?
I think that we've seen commoditization across all financial services for decades, but crypto is not yet there. Crypto is still new. We're seeing new blockchains come out. You have to integrate with those blockchains. We talk about them as they're living and breathing organisms. They fork. They have different governance protocols. And when you have to integrate with those new blockchains, and we don't know exactly which blockchains will be used for which transactions over time, that it's hard to think of those as commoditized because you need to have the technical strength to provide security on those blockchains. And so I agree. Over the long term, we're going to see commoditization and we're going to see fees come down as a result of that commoditization. But I just don't think we're quite there yet. And today, when Coinbase is trying to position ourselves in the market, we're positioning ourselves as not competing on price. We are looking to provide access to the crypto economy. We're providing access to more and more tokens every single quarter. In this quarter, we added 22 tokens, more than we added in full year 2020. And we're also then adding new products around staking. We're trying to move into the NFT space, move into DeFi, as Brian shared in a blog post in June. And we think that as we continue to offer our clients the ability to transact in new and novel ways in crypto, that will be what attracts them to our platform.
You just mentioned clients. There are a number of high-profile clients that are on your list now. Elon Musk, SpaceX, Tesla, Dan Loeb's Third Point. Can you tell us a little bit about what kinds of business you're doing for them beyond what the individual investor may be doing on your platform?
So you named a lot of our institutional clients that we mentioned that we are partnering with in our most recent shareholder letter. On the institutional side, the clients are choosing us, and I can't speak about any specific client, but I want to talk in general. What they usually come to us for is starting with custody. They really appreciate our history of investing in security, that we have not had a loss due to cyber attack on our platform since our inception. And from there, it moves into trading. It moves into data services. It moves into the borrow lend products that we're building on our platform and the full suite of the prime brokerage products under the beta initiative that we launched this quarter. So we're really building deep roots with a lot of our institutional clients across their investing needs in the crypto economy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.